course, you have the hills there. Yep.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up?
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the Delpratt family again. Alright. So we're here today in St. Mary, right? The gates of Edgehhill.
Yeah.
Yes, we're doing a tour of their show homes. It's a very nice community, guys. In cool. It's a nice, quiet environment, right? Just a few minutes off the main road, right? So you can definitely join us for this tour, and remember to subscribe to our channel, all right, and hit the post notification bell.
Give us a thumbs up.
Yes, definitely. All right, so stay tuned, guys. All the details coming up in this video. All right. Hey guys, driveway for this is the Elizabeth, right? They are doing some landscaping today, so we notice their driveway is a little messy because they are doing their landscaping. All right, so this is the Elizabeth. It's a single door entrance.
Well, this is the entrance right here. But you can also enter from right here.
Yes. All right. And now this is the living area.
Oh, I like this. The seats are high and vaulted.
Yeah. Yep. Quite nice. Living area.
The kitchen.
This color.
I like the space of the kitchen. The space of the kitchen. You cannot view it like you're supposed to dine around. It is meant to be the main dining area, I guess, because you can't really fit a table without blocking the entrance right there.
Right.
Yeah. I like the fact that a lot of these units now are actually coming like with extra cupboard even over the fridge, which is, as I always mention, like extra storage is always a good thing. And you have the space for your range right here.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Your standard fixtures.
Yeah. So you want to look in the first bedroom right here?
Alright, let's
So
do
there's a
that.
bedroom right here, and it actually has an entrance to the outside. Yeah.
So with one.
So you can actually enter from right here, go in the living room or come in this bedroom. Which I like the space in this room though.
Yeah, it's spacious.
Yeah. I like the space in this room. This is a king set. Just in case you can't recognize it, it's actually a king set. And this is a closet. Walk in.
Yeah, so you probably have to set up your own cupboards and stuff like that.
You have to get your closet organized in here. Yeah. Walk-in closet, that's real nice.
And the bathroom. So you realize the theme kind of same throughout the house. The color, the cupboards.
Yeah. And again, you have counter space, which is nice. You can always do a little bit of decor.
Yes. And even the countertop is the same countertop throughout the house too.
Yeah.
And wherever there's a countertop, it's standard, the same color. And yeah.
A walk-in shower.
Yes.
With a sliding door. You want to try?
Go. Yeah. Yes.
And this glass is pretty thick, you know, babe.
Yeah. Yeah, like 1/3 of an inch.
Yeah. And you actually have two windows. One over the toilet, one here. Which is nice.
Yeah, that kind of unusual. Normally bathrooms, most time have one window.
Yeah, only have one window. That's good. Yeah.
And you have a nice little view. I don't know skill, but yeah, it kind to me, it's a little view.
You can see the view, you can't see now.
This main room, the master, right? This is the master, right? Yeah, so you come in, right? You have your room,
Yeah,
you have your closet, You have your bathroom, and you can come outside without actually going to the living area and so on, if you wish anyway. Right, and this is the backyard space, the back patio and the backyard space. Looks good. Yeah, and there are other houses in the community. A nice community, I must say. Yep.
No, that each of these houses actually come with a tank.
True, yes. Yes, each of them come with a...
What is this, like a pump?
Yeah, water pump and tank. 650 gallon tank. That's cool.
Yeah. So we enter back into the living room area.
Yes. And to the back here, I mean, you can set up a little office space or something.
Yeah, a little lounge area.
Yeah. And I could use this for the YouTube room.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want area, you know?
Yeah, I'm a computer desk around here and
I actually like the fact there are actually 2 plugs. A small room, but you still have 2 plugs.
Yes. I would have put a door right here, put in my AC unit, set up my computers and everything.
So let's say I have plans, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's gonna be a little isolation room, like my space.
Yep. Yes, so the kitchen and living room from the back in. Yes. And there are 2 bedrooms on this side. Alright. So when turn to the left, this is like the second bedroom for the house.
Yeah, king size.
Yeah.
Let's see the closet. Yeah, typical closet. You have a decent closet space here.
I mean, all these houses, they have the wooden roof with the aluminum stone coated on top. Yeah, you get a nice elegant look. Yep.
This bathroom is shared, I gather.
Yeah.
This bathroom is shared.
3 bed, 2 bath.
Yeah.
And this is Elizabeth.
Yes, and then you have a tub.
Oh yes. Yeah.
I think it's becoming very typical.
Yeah, true. 3rd bedroom. Right. So you can see comfortable holes, 2 single bed, or if you want, you can even have a king bed in here. You can have a king bed and still good space, or a queen.
Yeah.
Yes. And again, closet.
Looks familiar.
Yeah, this definitely looks familiar. This is definitely a piece that we have at our Airbnb. We got it, is a pair at it? We get it as pair or themselves separately?
No, man,
they came together?
They came together, yeah.
Okay, we definitely have at our Airbnb. Yes.
Yeah, but we need to closet right here. Like it's bigger.
And you know, say, this house kind of remind me of Gore house. Kind of give a little vibe like the Gore homes.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is true.
But it's a lot bigger. Alright.
I want to actually.
Okay, so it's 1,900 square feet. This is the unit that we are in at the moment. 1,900 square feet, 3 beds, a den plus 2 bathrooms, and of course the den is the little room that we...
Yeah, the one that Angel has plans for.
Yeah, so I mean it's very big. The Diana is 1,658 square feet, 3 bed, 2 bath as well.
You have a swimming pool, you get a swimming pool, multi-purpose court, a clubhouse. Of course, you have a 24-hour security. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, you have rental property management services.
So if you want to like do Airbnb, they actually
accommodate that.
They do it for you. They take care of the hassle, you know? Yes.
That's cool.
So they would like they pay the utilities, do the repairs on the property and all of that.
We should think so.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Come on, thanks. Eh? Yeah. Yes. And so leaving the Elizabeth, this is the kind of view that you have. And of course, a little veranda, you know, front patio. Right. Not too big still, small to be honest. But it works. A decent sized yard to the front. Yep. So we are now going to the Diana.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. It's nice, eh?
Yeah.
Ceiling well high.
Oh, you know what I like about right here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the ceiling is really high here. But you know what I like over here? I like this counter a lot more.
The color scheme is different.
Island. Yeah, I like the island. I like the position of it.
Yes.
So you can actually, you know, you can have your meal right here.
Right.
Or whatever. But then I like the fact that, well, I'll probably use over there for a different reason. But I love the fact that you have this island right here. Yeah. And again, you have your space.
Yes, the countertops and the cupboards have a darker color and in the Diana.
Yeah, I actually like this color.
Yes. I mean, standard, the sink, you know, look like nice quality, to be honest. Yeah.
So what does this do, babe? How does this work? Shivers open like this, like so. And then
Oh, so you can utilize the whole space, yes.
yeah.
That's cool.
This is simple,
Yeah.
but workable.
Yeah. And you just return it to default position when you want to close the door.
And you have one top bottom.
Yeah.
I actually like it, very creative, I like it.
Yeah.
So I like the storage space. Even here I have storage. Because you have your drawer, the covering spaces on this side. So that's nice.
Yes. So bedroom, this is bedroom one I suppose again. Yeah. Master bedroom.
Yeah, and again, like you enter from
Yes.
outside.
Yes, yeah, you enter from outside just like before. You come on in. Yeah.
Come on in.
Yeah. Yes.
Come on in. Yeah, and you're walking closet again. But I think it's bigger than over the other side. I think this walking closet is a bit bigger.
Slightly bigger?
Probably just shaped different, so it gives a bigger feel. But I mean, there's 2 chairs in there, so I don't know.
Yes, these furniture look like it's for the patio, but they have them inside. Yes.
This is the bathroom. Sliding doors as well for your walking. You have to watch your foot, because you know to step up.
Especially in your state.
Yeah, I like it. As you mentioned, the colors are different.
And again, the back patio. Outdoor area is nice.
Did we see a washroom over that side?
Yeah, same place.
Same place? Okay. We have one right here. No, we didn't. It was closed. The door was closed. But this one's open. I remember. Because this was like this, and I tried opening it, but it wouldn't open. So, same as the Elizabeth.
Yes. And then you have 2 rooms on this side. The closet is bigger over here. The passage,
the
linen closet is bigger over in this one.
For real, it is bigger. It's bigger. And you have the shared bathroom right here. Is it supposed to be a shared bath again?
Yeah, the other one has the same shared. The three bed, 2 bath.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you have a bath right there. Room number 2.
Yes. Right.
Oh, we heard that the fans should come with the unit as well, so.
This bedroom hardly can accommodate a king bed. If
Yeah.
you will have a nightstand based on.
Yeah,
this
is a queen. A queen set. That's here.
Unless they're gonna put the bed on that side. And then the TV over here, which it can work. So switch around, then you can accommodate a king, and you put the nightstand there. Nightstand wouldn't probably you can put the nightstand on that side. Yeah, and then you have the space you can maneuver.
Yeah. You have your closet.
Yeah.
In the ceiling. The third room is right down the hall, right here. And it looks very similar to the other one. You know? Similar spaces as well. Similar closet space. Hey guys. So, it was so awesome sharing this experience with you for another round.
Yeah. Did you like what you see? We certainly did.
And if you do, give us that thumbs up.
All right.
All right, turn it back.
Yep. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Turn on your post notification, guys.
Yeah, very, very important, guys. All right.
And look out for more stuff coming from us, all right?
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yep.